Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Etsy. They're looking for a social media manager. It pays up to $35 per hour. Etsy is the global marketplace for unique and creative goods. We connect creative entrepreneurs from nearly every country around the world with buyers shopping for something special. Tackle unique problems alongside talented coworkers and teams. We're large enough that you'll focus on meaningful, complex challenges, but small enough that you can make a rewarding impact. See your work make a true difference in people's lives. Etsy is seeking an experienced social media manager with a passion for storytelling and deep knowledge of the social landscape to lead and grow Etsy's Instagram and Facebook communities. In this role, you'll pitch, create, and curate compelling content that elevates Etsy small business owners, celebrates creativity, and sparks conversation with the millions of buyers and sellers in our global community. The social media manager will also work closely with leads across the team to develop and lead cross-channel campaigns that showcase the breadth of Etsy's marketplace and uplift Etsy sellers, buyers, and their individual stories. What you'll do, developing a dynamic content calendar for Etsy's Instagram and Facebook channels, building franchises that uplift Etsy sellers, celebrate creativity, and tap into Etsy brand love, all while reaching a highly engaged community of 7 million plus followers. Pitch and develop original video content ideas and franchises, as well as curate buyer and seller creative video content. Stewardship of Etsy's brand and voice on Facebook and Instagram, working to help reimagine and execute Etsy's strategy and vision for these channels. Actively testing, optimizing, and evolving our social content approach, surfacing key insights to the social team, as well as our marketing partners, to drive meaningful engagement. Source and lead co-creations of UGC video from Etsy seller and buyer communities. Develop and deploy developing and pitching new ideas and opportunities, serving as the channel expert who is always up on trends, industry news, and competitive insights. Managing and optimizing monthly paid campaigns. Testing and deploying new tactics to reach and engage our existing and new audiences. Leading strategy and content development for impact campaigns across our own social channels. Collaborating with channel leads on execution. What you'll need: 5+ years of experience managing social channels for a large brand or publisher. Obsessive knowledge of the social landscape and broader trends. Possessing a keen awareness of the difference between successful consumer and brand content. A strong eye for merchandising and art direction, as well as a passion for unearthing and transforming community stories into compelling social content. Proven ability to write brand-aligned copy for social that remains authentic to each platform. In-depth knowledge of measurement and performance for social content, as well as experience with third-party measurement and publishing tools. Extensive project management experience with the ability to balance multiple projects and priorities with ease. A passion for supporting small businesses. Creativity and craftsmanship. You care deeply about building the Etsy brand for key audiences. To be successful in this role, the social media manager will bring creative thinking and a contagious passion for social, working both independently and collaboratively to create compelling social content and campaigns. Identify and suggest creative opportunities for Etsy to express its values through social media content, as well as predict, measure, and respond to content performance in key areas of engagement and channel growth. Able to balance multiple projects and priorities, while acting nimbly to support emerging trends and opportunities. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.